Welcome to Daily Tax Minute. This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on saving taxes and staying out of tax trouble. So let's jump right in. Today's topic is rollovers, retirement plan rollovers to IRA or 401k. So you've left your job, you were in a 401k or some other retirement plan. You have the option or sometimes the requirement of rolling over that money into a new retirement plan. Hopefully you don't cash it in. That's not what we're discussing here, but that's a bad idea. So let's just say we're all going to roll it over, and it's a binary choice, either to our own IRA or to a new employer's 401k. Well, like many issues in tax and financial planning, there is no one clear, absolute, always acceptable answer. There are pros and cons in each. However, in this situation, there's one factor that, in my opinion, outweighs all of the others. If you roll your money over into an IRA, you control that money. You exclusively and solely control the withdrawals and future taxation and handling and investment and every other detail of that money. If you roll it over into a 401k, that's not true. You're subject to the rules of that 401k, and it's actually the administrator of that 401k that is in control of your money. So to me, really simple solution. If obviously there's no tax consequences on the rollover, but if there is going to be tax consequences later on the withdrawal, as a tax professional and tax advisor, I would much rather be in a position of advising an IRA owner than a 401k owner, where the options are more limited. We have more flexibility in planning and dealing with taxes with an IRA than we would otherwise. I mentioned that there's pros and cons. Some people will say that the asset protection is not as strong yet in an IRA as it is in a 401k, but I would say that that's largely a matter of perception. I'm in New Jersey, where it's virtually the same, and in other states where actually this question came from my daughter. She's in Pennsylvania, and it's virtually almost the same. There's very few circumstances where a creditor or a court could attach an IRA any more easily than they could a 401k. So I hope that's helpful. Would love to hear your thoughts, comments, feedback. I always think that some of these comments are going to irritate some other financial person, but so far that's not been the case. But if it did, if you have a different opinion, we'd love to hear, either on social media, or if you have a situation yourself and want to discuss it privately, one-on-one, that's welcome also. I can be reached at taxproblems.cpa website. And I'll be back tomorrow with another Tax Minute.